Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can add a prepaid Visa card to Apple Pay. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Here is how you can add a prepaid Visa gift card to Apple Pay. Firstly, use these procedures to add a prepaid Visa gift card to Apple Pay. Run the iPhone wallet application, press the Add a New Card button, click a plus symbol to add a new card, pick a debit or credit card. You can either manually enter the card information or take a picture with your iPhone's camera. Note that Apple Pay is compatible with all prepaid cards. To make sure your card is compatible with Apple Pay, check the back of the card or get in touch with the issuer. Don't forget to have your card activated first if you run into any problems. For more help, get in touch with your card issuer or Apple support. So that's basically how you can add a prepaid Visa card to Apple Pay. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.